listening. Sally, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, just tell me if you're ready. So Sally, okay, the last time we have unit 55. Okay, so now, okay. Oh, sorry. So now we will have, okay, we will have the upgraded test. Okay, we will have the upgraded test for you to have, for you to, for teacher to check if you are really done with flyers. If you're good at if you're good at it already. Okay, so let us take the test before we will go to the elementary solution. Okay, so like the other test, we have listening, reading, and writing and speaking. Okay, please listen. I will replay this twice or 2 times, Sally.
Listen and look. There is one example.
Now listen, boys and girls. I want to tell you about an interesting club here at school.
What is the club?
It's called the Space Club. It's at 6:30 on Tuesday evenings.
Oh, I think I'd like to come to that.
Can you see the answer? Now you listen and write.
What do people do at this club?
Well, they can learn about the stars, and they can make new friends too.
Oh, that sounds great.
And sometimes they go out when it's dark. They look at the moon when there are no clouds in the sky.
Do people have to bring anything to the club meetings? Pens and paper?
No, but it's a good idea to bring a torch. It'll be dark outside, and they must be careful when they go out.
And what happens if it's a cloudy night and you can't see anything? Do the children watch TV programs?
No, Michael. But the club has some very interesting DVDs. So we watch those on nights like that.
Oh, good. I'll enjoy that.
And a friend of mine from the university sometimes comes to talk about space in the future. His name's Mr. Bailey.
How do you spell his surname?
B-A-I-L-E-Y. He's very famous. He's written lots of books.
Now listen to part 2 again.
What do people do at this club?
Well, they can learn about the stars, and they can make new friends too.
Oh, that sounds great.
And sometimes they go out when it's dark. They look at the moon when there are no clouds in the sky.
Do people have to bring anything to the club meetings? Pens and paper?
No, but it's a good idea to bring a torch. It'll be dark outside, and they must be careful when they go out.
And what happens if it's a cloudy night and you can't see anything? Do the children watch TV programs?
No, Michael, but the club has some very interesting DVDs. So we watch those on nights like that.
Oh, good. I'll enjoy that.
And a friend of mine from the university sometimes comes to talk about space in the future. His name's Mr. Bailey.
How do you spell his surname?
B-A-I-L-E-Y. He's very famous. He's written lots of books.
Okay? Ready now? Okay, Nguyen? Sally? Ready, Sally? So next, Sally? Okay, teacher will check it, okay? Okay, next one.
Listen
Okay, please try to have this. Okay. Please. Okay. Okay, you wait me, Sally, because teacher will just go to the bathroom, okay? Please listen this. I will be back. Please wait me.
which museum is Jack's grandma going to work in?
I've got a new job now, Jack, in a museum. I'm going to start today.
So where is this museum? Is it the one next to my school?
No, not that one.
I know. Is it that big one opposite the hospital?
No, it's the one in the park.
Wow, my class is going to visit that museum next month.
Cô vẫn chưa vào, con ra chờ. Okay, Ngoya. Okay, Sally. Okay, so good. Teacher has a stomach ache. Sally, that's why. Okay. So here, let us, what is your answer? Letter C. Okay. Number 2?
Number 1, C.
Okay, number 1, C. Okay, very good.
What does Jack enjoy doing most in museums?
I enjoy visiting museums.
That's good. Do you like drawing the things that you can see there?
Yes, but I like finding out about different things most of all. There's always something interesting to read.
I agree.
I'd like to pick things up and hold them too. But you can't do that in every museum, can you?
No, that's right, Jack.
Okay.
Okay.
Letter B is your answer. Number 3, please listen.
What is the most interesting thing in the museum?
It's a very exciting museum. You can learn a lot about history there.
Are there any dinosaurs?
No. The most interesting thing in the museum is a boat that sailed all round the world 400 years ago.
Wow! What else?
Well, there are a lot of old gold and silver things. Some of them are 1,000 years old.
Okay. Oh, it's lost. Sorry. Because of the internet. Okay, we are number 3, right?
Yes.
Okay.
What is the most interesting thing in the museum?
It's a very exciting museum. You can learn a lot about history there.
Are there any dinosaurs?
No. The most interesting thing in the museum is a boat that sailed all round the world 400 years ago.
Wow! What else?
Well, there are a lot of old gold and silver things. Some of them are 1,000 years old.
Sally, next one. Okay, what's this? Done at tooth. Okay. Let's make it faster. Okay, let's have this.
Where will Claire meet Alex?
Hi, Claire. Are you in the city centre?
Hi, Alex. Yes, I'm just having a sandwich in the cafe. How about you?
I'm at the museum, looking at a really great art exhibition. Why don't you come and meet me here?
OK, but just for an hour. I've got to go to the hairdresser's at 2.
Now listen again.
Hi, Claire. Are you in the city centre?
Hi, Alex. Yes, I'm just having a sandwich in the cafe. How about you?
I'm at the museum, looking at a really great art exhibition. Why don't you come and meet me here?
OK, but just for an hour. I've got to go to the hairdresser's at 2.
Okay, what is your answer? Please underline your answer. Okay,
What time should the man telephone again?
Can I speak to Fred Warner, please?
He's in a meeting now. I'll ask him to call you at 10:15 when he comes out.
I'm seeing a customer then. I can phone at 12 o'clock.
He'll be in another meeting then. Call at past before he goes for lunch.
OK.
Now listen again.
Can I speak to Fred Warner, please?
He's in a meeting now. I'll ask him to call you at 10:15 when he comes out.
I'm seeing a customer then. I can phone at 12 o'clock.
He'll be in another meeting then. Call at past before he goes for lunch.
OK.
Okay. Oh, your answer, Sally, for number 1. C. And number 2, what's your answer? Number 2, what's your answer? Letter?
C.
Okay. Okay, next one. Reading. Please try to pick the correct answer. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, this one, another. Please answer this one. Okay, please be careful in answering. Mm-mm.
I'm done.
Okay, wait me a minute. Okay, I will check your answer. 1 is storm, 2 is restaurant, 3 is ready, 4 is, and 5 is, okay. Sorry. Okay, Sally, next one. Okay, in this one, Sally, you have to read the text and choose the right word for each blank. This is your own word. Please fill in your own word. Sige na. Mo man on ang pangana. Off na. Ikaw man din siguro ko anding mo nang suyop din di ka kamobing.
I'm done.
Okay, wait because I have to check that one. E3 at 8 o'clock or fall. Okay, so now Sally, please try to find the difference. There are 5 differences here. Please try to find 5 differences in the picture.
I'm done.
Okay, now you tell me. You tell me what are the differences.
At the window, at picture number 1, there are mountains. But at picture 2, there are towns. At picture 1, the woman is carrying a baby. But at picture 2, she carried a box.
Okay.
In picture 1, the man is reading book. In picture 2, he's sleeping. picture 1, the man who has a hat. He has a hat. But in picture number 2, he didn't wear the hat. And the last one, at picture 1, the hat isn't at the chair, but at picture 2, it's on the chair.
Okay. Okay, so we have here in picture number 1, you can see the mountain. This one,
Mountain.
this one, this one, and this one. Okay, so you can see that one. So there are how many differences? There are 5 differences. Okay, now you have to encircle here, Sally. Okay, which one is not belong to the group, or odd one out? Okay, and then after you explain it to teacher Anne.
There, I'm done.
Okay, explain it to me. Why? Why that's the difference?
Because of the picture is a sport and they working. But in the picture I have all out, it's rest and the end have a sport.
Okay. Very good too. Look at that. Which do you think is different? Why?
Because it's a kangaroo and not a cloth.
Okay. Now that's the last time that our test ends up. Okay, I will just give you the result tomorrow for your upgraded test. Okay, so after this one, okay, in the next tomorrow, please don't forget we have makeup class 8 p.m. again. Okay, don't forget that, Sally,
Okay.
because teacher Ann was absent the last time, so I have to do a makeup class tomorrow. Okay, please don't be absent. Okay, so now let us introduce. It's time for me now to introduce the introduce about what time do we need to finish? What is it?
Eh,
Okay. What time? So in elementary solution, Sally, this is a very nice topic. So we have here introduction, unit 0A, introduction, vocabulary, and speaking. Okay, so we have here, we have vocabulary, actually grammar, listening, speaking in this elementary solution. This is a very nice materials. Okay, you trust teacher. This is a very nice material. Okay, so here, so we've got
Clarinet.
clarinet,
saxophone,
Saxophone.
saxophone,
Trumpet.
trumpet,
trumpet. Okay, these are musical
Trumpet.
instruments,
Trumpet.
right? So
trumpet,
have you tried to play
Trumpet.
any one of this?
trumpet.
Tried to play any one of this?
No,
Okay, so it's hard.
Trumpet.
Trumpet. Okay, this one.
Keyboard.
keyboard,
Keyboard. Okay, have you tried that?
drum, 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 drum,
This is
drum.
drum. Okay, look at that. So the one I showed you, Sally, they are musical instrument. Exactly, they are musical instrument. Okay, so we have here some words.
Clarinet.
But play clarinet,
Ride a horse.
ride a horse,
Skateboard.
skateboard. Okay, another,
Ski.
he,
Ride a bike.
ride a bike,
Dance.
Okay, so look at this key. So this common,
Yes.
oh, of course, we don't have like that because and even teacher Ann don't know about that because in the Philippines, we don't have snow, Sally. We only have two season or two weather, rainy and hot or sunny. This one, oh, do you know how to do that? Riding a bike?
Yes.
Yeah, of course. Next is dance. Everyone loves to dance. Teacher and loves to dance. Okay, we knew how to dance. Okay, so we have here, Nguya Sally, the use of can and can't. We use can to talk ability, our ability. I can dance, I can sing, I can run, I can ride a bike. So by using that can, it talks about your ability. Sally can write, Sally can dance, Sally can sing. So use can for your ability. Another, the form of can is the same for all the persons. Like he can dance, I can dance, she can dance, he can dance. Okay, affirmative, Sally. We've got I can play football. That's affirmative. Normal sentence. But when you say negative, okay, of course, there is an expression cannot, can't, cannot. They can't hear you. Can you dance? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Okay, so you understand? Very easy. Okay, another
Yes.
is we use can for asking permission. Example, teacher Ann will go outside like a while ago. Sally, can I go out? Can I go to the bathroom? Can I drink water? Or you will say, yes, teacher, you can. No, teacher, you can't. Okay, so two words use can to ask to talk about ability. I can dance. I can sing. I can giggle. I can wiggle. I can draw. Your ability, what you can do. And then you use can to ask permission where you are going to go. Sally, teacher Ann, can I go to my classmate's house? Okay, teacher Ann, can I go to the mall? Okay, so those are the use of can and can't. Okay, so this one. Please try to answer this 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, just put an arrow.
I'm done.
Okay, let me see. Okay, your name. Do you spell? Are you from? How old are you? Okay, very good. Thank you, Nguyen.
Time.
It's time already. Okay, so it's time now. Okay, so this is only a solid introduction of our elementary solution. Okay, so aside from this, we have more lessons and teacher Ann will tell you, you will not regret because this is a very nice materials. Okay, you will learn a lot. Okay, now Sally, it's time for you to go say goodbye. Okay, I will see you
Okay.
tomorrow. Don't forget. Okay,
Okay.
bye.
Bye bye.